In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build the most effective Notion project progress tracker. We'll create a clean, personalized system that gives you a clear snapshot of where every project stands, using Notion databases, relations, and visual progress indicators. We'll start by setting a strong foundation. On a new page, add a database, choose a table, and name it Projects. This is your home base for high-level tracking. Add core properties such as project name, status, and deadline. Status can be a select field like to do, in progress, and done, and the deadline helps you spot what needs attention at a glance. Next, create a second database called Tasks. This is where day-to-day work lives. Link it to the projects database with a relation property so each task can be tied to a specific project. This connection is what unlocks roll-ups, timelines, and project-level progress later on. In the tasks database, add properties for status, due date, and assignee. You can also include priority if you want a quick way to sort what's urgent versus nice to have. Now let's visualize progress. In the tasks database, add a number property to represent progress on individual tasks, such as a percentage. Then, in your projects database, use a formula, or a roll-up paired with a formula, to calculate the percentage of completed tasks for each project. This becomes your progress bar or ring, giving you a quick, visual read on how close you are to the finish line. To make your tracker truly work for you, customize the views. In the tasks database, add a Kanban board view grouped by status so you can drag tasks from to do to in progress to done. If you're more time-oriented, switch to a timeline view to see schedules at a glance and spot overlaps. You can also create a calendar view for deadlines, and keep a compact table view for fast data entry. If you prefer a head start, pull a template from the Notion template gallery. The Daily Project Tracker is great for simple daily management, while the Complete Project Management System offers a more robust foundation with linked databases and advanced views. Use them as a springboard and customize the properties, relations, and views we just set up to match your workflow. With this structure in place, you'll have a reliable, visual, and flexible project progress tracker that keeps tasks tied to outcomes and deadlines visible. Save your page, name your views clearly, and you're ready to manage projects with confidence.